Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm assembling and reviewing the TRINITY 3-bag laundry cart with flip-up tops and wheels. I'll walk you through the entire setup step by step and give you my thoughts on its design, mobility, and overall quality. Let's get started. First, I unwrapped all the items in the package to make sure everything was there. Assembly was pretty straightforward, and everything I needed was included in the package. Next, I attached the legs on both sides using the provided clamps and screws. Then, I secured the wire shelf at the bottom, which helps and makes the cart sturdy. After that, I connected the 4 support bars, 2 in the front and 2 at the back, using the provided screws. These help keep the structure stable. Once the frame was set up, I attached the 4 wheels at the bottom. First, I hand tightened, then used the provided spanner to secure them firmly. I inserted 2 screws that act as stoppers. Only hand tightening was required for this step. Finally, I flipped the cart upright and checked all the screws one last time to make sure nothing was loose. And just like that, the assembly was complete. Now, let's take a look at how it works. The 3 spacious bags can each hold up to 15 pounds of laundry, and they're removable with sturdy handles for easy transport. The powder-coated steel frame adds durability, and the bottom shelf provides extra support. For mobility, the cart comes with 4 wheels, 2 of which lock in place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.